Our desired location is the city of Kota Kinabalu, located on the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. Kota Kinabalu is located in the Sabah region of Borneo, which is the northwest part of the island and is a part of Malaysia. The latitude and longitude of this area is 5.9 degrees north and 116 degrees east. The hotel we would be staying at is the Kinabalu Mountain Lodge, which is just a short drive from the Kota Kinabalu airport and is located minutes from Mount Kinabalu National Park. Right outside the hotel, which lies in a rainforest on the side of a cliff, is Mount Kinabalu National Park. Mount Kinabalu, standing at 4,092.3 meters tall, is the tallest mountain in Borneo. As shown in this picture, Mount Kinabalu National Park is located in a region called the Heart of Borneo, a pristine area of Borneo's rainforest. Mount Kinabalu National Park is an incredibly diverse ecosystem, and its mountain creates 4 distinct climate zones: lowland rainforest, montane or oak forest, rhododendron forest, and alpine meadows. By going to this park, we could see many of these different climate-based ecosystems all in one area as we hike the mountain trail. This park is one of Malaysia's first national parks, and the Sabah Park Service is working relentlessly to keep this section of rainforest as natural and pristine as possible. It is important to see this incredible ecosystem before it's too late, considering Borneo is losing its rainforest at a frightening rate. According to the World Wildlife Fund, logging, land clearing, and conversion activities are the greatest threats to this Heart of Borneo region. Borneo's forests are being cleared because of the lure of palm oil and timber plantations. This problem is huge and is getting out of control. In this picture from the WWF website, you can see the extent of this problem. Some 56% of the protected lowland tropical rainforests in Kalimantan were cut down between 1985 and 2001 to supply global timber demand. That's more than 29,000 kilometers, almost the size of Belgium. Protection laws are in effect throughout Borneo, but they are often inadequate and flagrantly violated, usually without any consequences. The deforestation has led to severe soil loss and erosion because there are no plants to hold the soil together. This is causing sedimentation in the rivers, and it could lead to further problems downstream as nutrients could be washing into the ocean. We have seen this incredible before it disappears due to poachers, prospectors, and palm oil cartels who are making this region extremely environmentally unstable. Poaching and deforestation is displacing millions of animals, particularly orangutans. Already considered endangered, the deforestation coupled with habitat loss for the animals has created a dangerous situation. World Wildlife Fund, which strives to protect the habitat of orangutans, estimate that only 60,000 wild orangutans are left on the entire islands of Borneo and Sumatra. If we go to Borneo, we may be able to see some of these magnificent creatures before it's too late.
While the land area of Borneo deteriorates, the reefs are considered healthy and flourishing, yet are still threatened. Most of the threats on the Borneo reefs come from the sedimentation from the deforestation of land. If the deforestation continues unchecked, more excess nutrients wash into the ocean, and from the shock of the change in environment, this occurrence can lead to coral bleaching and eutrophication. In the general triangular area between Borneo, the Philippines, and Indonesia, 85% of the reefs are threatened, according to the World Research Institute. According to National Geographic, the threats to this area are mostly caused by a practice called blast fishing, or fish bombing. Fishermen will use explosives to destroy large colonies of fish. The bombs are illegal and extremely harmful to reefs and the marine ecosystem. They cause a disruption in the natural food system, destroying chunks of reefs and killing the primary consumers. The loss of this part of the food system causes trophic cascades. Consumers high up on the food chain, like sharks, are significantly affected by this loss. Organizations like the Tropical Research and Conservation Center, or TRACC, help protect sharks and restore reefs. It would be an engaging experience to take a scuba diving trip with the Scuba Junkie Company. Only a mile off the coast, the diving site, Gaia Island, would show our group a real-life example of a flourishing coral reef. We could see lionfish, seahorses, turtles, and reef sharks. Through seeing how a reef system is supported and run, we will be inspired to take action and prevent the further death of reefs around the world.